Hey guys, Chris here, and Sandy's over there. We just hiked in about 1.5 miles to the Middle Fork trailhead. We're going to try and make it up to Middle Fork Lake before we get rained on. Can you hear the thunder? So we might get a little wet, but we're not scared. Most of the stuff we got's waterproof.
Totally different forest than we've been in before.
I love these mountain trails. Yeah, we've been up the other side of the mountain, the Boulder Woods Trail, and totally different environment. Well, we just passed the first switchback and the first waterfall, and we're getting the first raindrops. So we'll see how hard it starts raining on us. Luckily, the pack comes with a rain cover, and we put the sensitive electronics in the in Ziploc bags. But that's what the GoPro's for, right? Came up the last few switchbacks with it sprinkling on us, but it seems to be clearing up and coming up on a pretty cool waterfall. I think the trail crosses here. Go ahead. Still on our way up to Middle Fork Lake. We're at about 10,700 feet elevation. Sandy and I just had a pretty cool interaction with a hummingbird. A female, this geography, it could have been a black chin, could have been a broad-tailed hummingbird. And out of nowhere, we thought it was a bug at first. She came right up and buzzed right in my face. And then right in Sandy's face too. And then came back to me. And then I got to thinking, she was checking out my scarf here. She came up looking, is that a red flower? I like red flowers. She did it 2 different times and then flew off up the mountain. It was a pretty fun time, made my hike. And now we're continuing our climb. Should be less than 1 mile to go to the lake. I can't tell if me being out of breath is from all these endless switchbacks or from the thin air. We're almost at 11,000 feet. That'll be a record for us. See you at the top. I think the lake's right over here.
Cool. This will be our first mountain lake.
Yeah.
Look at that thing, little waterfall.
This is Middle Fork Lake in the Wheeler Peak Wilderness, Carson National Forest in New Mexico. There we are. Wow. Just beautiful.
I don't think we're too far from that section we were looking at from down below.
Mm-mm. I think we'll be hanging out here a minute.
Yeah.
Is that cool or what? You're not going to let me reach for my camera, are you?
No, no. As soon as you reach for anything, they take off.
He's quick, I got him jumping. You can go down right as so. Oh goodness, you're coming right up to me.
Crazy. Oh, they have to.
Hey buddy, what's that sound like, a chip bag to you or what? I think we made it past the worst of the sprinkles this morning. Good thing we pushed through because this was a great payoff. This mountain lake up here is just gorgeous. I am giving myself a special treat, putting on a brand new pair of socks at 11,000 feet in the New Mexico wilderness, where my little chipmunk friends hang out. Sandy's halfway around the lake now. Get on fresh socks and go see what she's up to. Making our walk here around the second half of Middle Fork Lake. Just had a really cool interaction with a mule deer. Doe just having lunch, didn't mind us walking by at all. What a beautiful place. I can't believe the wildflowers. Hummingbirds visiting the wildflowers. I could see why someone would want to camp here.
I didn't say there's been a couple little campfire spots.
All right, starting our descent from Middle Fork Lake. We reached about 10,800 feet, which didn't break our record, but we matched it anyway. That's as high as we've been hiking ever. And we'll see how long it takes us to get back down this mountain. Lots of switchbacks. I'm not going to count them. Well, there it is, guys. We're back at the trailhead. We still got about 1.5 miles from the car, but we went all the way up to Middle Fork Lake and back down. We took some steeper trails on the way back down. I'm in the river because I'm excited about my new boots. She takes the bridge. Solomon's, by the way, do it. She has Solomon Trail Runners, and I love the Quest, the bigger boot. They're very nice. Like I said, we've got about 1.5 miles back out to the car. It was a fantastic hike, probably the longest we've taken, 7 miles. We went up to about as high as we've been, 10,800 feet.
All the way around the lake.
All the way around that, the lake up at the top. Gorgeous hike, highly recommended. And nothing too technical, just switchbacks all the way up. I mean, it was gradually uphill the whole way, but it was doable and very, very worth it. We had the lake to ourselves, got to walk all the way around, the wildlife
Not
up
exactly to
there.
ourselves.
Well,
Deer.
we saw, yeah, real close interaction with a mule deer and a couple of birds and the little chipmunk guys. Not one of them care that you're up there. I walked right up to that mule deer 10 yards away taking pictures. She's posing for me. It was a great time. Great time. And the rain left, the blue skies came out. So definitely worth sticking through those little showers on the way up.